It's moving. Well, from doodles on paper to code and implementation, I made this video to show you the result of months of development, waiting, and testing concepts to finally working test. It's me again sharing how this project came to be. As much as I have been sharing over SNS platforms, pretty much you all know the project that I have been working on. We made a lot of progress since the last time I presented this in public. And I mean a lot. Starting with updates on our timeline editor, plugins, and the new features. Now, going straight to the point, we are now at stage 3 of our development roadmap. As such, we get things done for our DMX-based lights fixtures, so we can control much as we do with our DIY fixtures. There are a lot of interest for this one, so it only makes sense to do so. Now, to get things started, I will try to control this mini moving head LED, which means I need to develop a new plugin to help us make control commands to this fixture. To get things started, I built a new plugin based on the existing ambient plugin. This will inherit all the color engine from the one, and we will add the new controls for position such as span and tilt. And we also include some movement effects such as circle, waving, etc. After some time of coding and debugging things, we are done with it. And we are calling this plugin Ice Mover. Yeah, it is a reference to something, but it's more of Ice Mover because it does really move and your eyes will surely move as well. But before we can start controlling it, we need a kind of adapter that will let us connect to our fixture with the PC or computer. So we need to build up some easy to get hardware because our target is to be simple and accessible. So here are the parts for it. We can use this ESP8266 and MAX485 module. And after some soldering to our proof board, we got it all wired and connected. And on the software side, I also have written the firmware that will communicate our two protocols together, from LiSyQ commands to DMX, that is. The explanation and how it is inner workings deserves a separate explainer video, so I plan to do this in a separate one. It is to make this simple to understand. After that, going to our program, we can then connect into our adapter on the COM ports. We then shall, at least at the start, set the starting address on our DMX fixture. I did set it to the 9-channel mode since most effects is done from software, so we only need minimal channels to interact with. To test things, I have prepared this simple sequence that cycles to some colors and at the same time moves the head tilt back and forth. And I did this on a live player, so it lets me control the sequence using the keyboard. Then I made it such that will reverse once I press the assigned key. So now, we just can do this. Obviously, there are more to this than just clicking some buttons. We can then start adding things into the timeline, and with regards to the things behind the working stuff are some technical things to ponder with. So feel free to contact me so I can answer the queries which is not covered in this demo or montage video. So until then, thank you for watching.